Good morning, good morning, good morning, and thank you for tuning in to at Chef Lisa. Okay, so Chef is going to whip up a quick little breakfast that anyone can do on the go or just sitting home relaxing. So first, we're going to go ahead and turn on our power, our gas. And while that's heating up, we're going to just take a nice stick of butter and get a nice little piece of butter going on here. One thing, okay, so while that's tuning up, we're gonna go ahead here. We're gonna crack those eggs and get ready to make us a beautiful egg. I hope everyone is having a great morning. I know I am. I'm just blessed to be here. And I know you are as well. Okay, so we're going to take just a little bit of pepper. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit of pepper in on those eggs. If you can see it here. And we're going to go ahead and get a pinch of salt. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. We have already made up some wonderful pancake mix right here. So while those are getting ready, we're gonna go and turn that camera right back to that pancake. And while that's going on, I'm just gonna beat up me a little egg. Normally I don't beat my eggs. I like them like overwhelmed. But today I just feel like I want to scramble them and put a little bit of cheese on it. The bacon is in the oven, and I'll show you that in a minute. So that is looking really, really good. You want to get it hot, but you don't want to burn it. So, and you like to get a nice little bit of pancake in there. So we're going to put about that much. So it won't be too hard to stir it. Okay, so we have that going. And we're going to turn it down just a little because I like it to cook slow but crispy around the edges. And as you can see, it's starting to do exactly what we want it to do. So we're going to be cooking those eggs in another separate pot. So we're going to get ready to... While that pancake is doing exactly what we want it to do, I like it a little crispy around the edges. So now, in the next pot here, while we're doing that, we're going to heat up our pot and get ready to do our eggs. And let me go ahead and grab some cheese. So we'll be ready to drop that cheese down on those eggs, honey. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. You want to go ahead and grab you some orange juice. You need some orange juice. You got to have that orange juice. So we're going to grab that good old orange juice. Can y'all see that? Okay, so that pancake is doing exactly what I want to do. So what I want to do is just take my spatula, run it up under there, breaking it up just a little bit. Because where you start to get the little burnt mark is right in the middle of the pancake fast. So you shake it a little bit and get that right up under there, and boom, we're going to flip it. So sometimes if you flip it, you get the little edges, but that's okay. Just push it right on down. And then when we reflip it just for a minute, it will get all of that. Don't worry about that. Look at that pancake. Oh my God. That is what you call a beautiful pancake. So, we'll take our attention over to our egg. Same principle, get your little piece of butter. Throw that right in there and let that start getting ready for you. And while we're waiting on that, we'll grab us a little ramekin for our cheese. Okay, so This morning is a blessed morning, and I hear people saying, "Oh, I got this going on," and we're still dealing with the corona. But you know what, guys? We are blessed to be here. We're blessed to be alive, and I just thank God that I didn't get a phone call that none of my family members have passed and gone home. They're still here to live another day. So, with that being said, we're going to flip that pancake one more time. So I just flipped that pancake one more time, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so my egg is getting ready. We're going to turn it up just a little bit. We're cooking on a smaller eye, so I'm not going to put it right over there. So what I'm getting ready to do, I've already put in pepper. I've already put in salt. And the reason why we flip that pancake back over is because we still want to get that little side that was a little uncooked. So over to our eggs. I'm just going to pull those eggs right in there. This is pretty much one of the bigger pots that nobody's eating today but myself. So we're going to have to tame these eggs to this big old pot. So we're just going to cook them right here in the middle. And what we're going to do is I like to let my eggs rest a little bit before I start moving them around. Okay. So we're going to get all that off of there. And now we're going to pull our pancake right off the eye. Flip it back over. Boom. It's beautiful. So, and if you're cooking more than one, and I know to cook more than one because the hubby will bounce back up here on me in just a minute and say, "Oh, well, I wasn't hungry then, but I'm hungry now." So this is how I like to do my egg. I kind of like a steel egg. So I'm going to take and get my spatula right up under it, and I'm just going to flip it. And guess what? I'm cutting off the eye. Because now, and I'm going to move it even away from where I was working, where the direct heat is. Now, I'm just going to take me a beautiful cup of cheese here, and I'm just going to layer that right on top. Oh my goodness. And just let that rest. So, we're going to go ahead and grab our bacon. And I like my bacon a little crispy. And it looks good. Maybe a little too crispy, but and that's the way I like it. Okay, guys, so let me go ahead and grab us a plate. And, okay, so the egg is ready, the bacon is ready. Let's get something to drain the bacon just a bit. I'll show you the bacon. So I like to just take a little napkin, just like so, and take the bacon out. And we can even, so it can drain just a little bit more, we can just sit it right there. Look at that. Look at that beautiful bacon. So, got the bacon out of the pan. And just put it right in there so it can stay warm. Or continue to release a little bit more of that grease. Beautiful bacon. Let's try a piece. Oh, it's good. Okay. So what we'll do here is move that up. This eye's not hot, so we'll just go ahead and set our plate there. And what we will do, clean off our thing here, and we'll go ahead and we'll put our pancake right there. Beautiful pancake, can y'all see it? Then you'll go ahead and take, these are 2 eggs. They look like they're a lot, but that's just 2 eggs. Right there. Right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get you a couple strips of bacon. Ooh. This is gonna be a beautiful breakfast. So you got your 2 nice slabs of bacon. Now, what you're gonna do is get you a beautiful glass, and you're going to pour yourself up some orange juice. Can y'all see that? That is looking fabulous. Okay. Shake up your orange juice. Pour you a nice glass of orange juice. And there you have it. You have your beautiful, and we can sit that there because it's okay. So just want you to see a quick little easy, simple breakfast. You have your pancakes, you have your eggs, you have your bacon, and you have your orange juice. Okay. Now guys, if you wanted to, you can add a little bit of fruit or whatever you want to add. I'm going to just add in just a little bit of syrup that I already had. And look at that syrup. Oh my God. Now you are in heaven. Get a closer look. My. Guys, thank you for tuning in for a quick little snapshot of a quick, I say, did we time it? Okay, I've only been on here 11 minutes and 58 seconds. So this is a 15-minute breakfast. From start to prep the bacon, prep the eggs, prep the pancakes. We're at 12 minutes and 10 seconds, and look at that breakfast. We are ready to eat. There it is. Y'all be blessed. Bye-bye.